Alrighty guys, you know who it is, Ty the Gamer. I'm back with more. So today we are going to try these chips. I know they're opened up, but they kind of opened up in my trunk here, barbecue flavored. These, I've never tried these. Got them today. They, about serving size is 13 chips, 150 calories. Total fat 9 grams, saturated fat 2.5, trans fat 0. We got cholesterol 0, sodium 290 milligrams, carbohydrates 16 grams, daily fiber 1 gram, total sugar 1 gram, vitamin D 0, calcium 10 milligrams, iron 0.4, potassium 310 milligrams, potatoes, vegetable oil, sunflower oil, sugar, corn flour, your basic things here, yeast, onions, yeah. So let's give it a try here. This really opened up, didn't it? Here we go. That's a chip here. I mean, they're cheap little chips. I mean, yeah. They're just cheap chips, really. Pretty much it, really. It's got some onion flavor to it. So, how would I rate these? Some of them are kind of salty, like a little bit too salty, in my opinion. With the onion, it's okay. These are just cheap chips, you know, like you would find at a dollar store, basically. But they're good. Give these about a 9 out of 10. Oh yeah, it would be a 10 out of 10. I mean, the barbecue's pretty good. I mean, it's better than some of the chips I've had before, but besides it being a little bit salty and not, you know, close to Lay's, it's no comparison. But I like barbecue chips a lot. So hopefully you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, tell me what you think. Tell me your guys' favorite chips are. And I will see you guys in the next video.